So Instagram just released a Twitter lookalike called Threads, and Threads is an app I think a lot of you are really gonna like. It has a nice interface and it's pretty much very cool. So in this video, I'm just going to share with you how you're going to be able to just use this app in case you're a beginner and you want to know your ways around this app. This video is for you. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also share with your friends whom you think they are going to be interested in this video. And without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So this is how the app looks like when you search for it in the App Store and then Play Store. And when you basically open the app, this is how you're going to see it. So in case you have an Instagram account already, you're going to see your Instagram accounts popping up right here, and that is good. So in case you don't want to use this Instagram account as your Thread account, you can tap on this section right here and then you can choose any of the accounts you have on Instagram, and then you're good. So let's say I want to use this one because the other one I already did it. I just want to use this so that you guys are going to see how it's going to be from the beginning. So when I just tap on the accounts, this is how the interface is going to look like. And what it's going to ask you is you want to write a bio, you want to add a link, or you want to import from Instagram. So in this way, I'm just going to import from Instagram, and whatever bio or whatever links you have on Instagram is actually going to pop up right here, and then you tap on continue, and then you make it a public profile because you want people to see, and then you are good. So what you're going to see is the people you follow on Instagram right here. So in case you tap on follow all, it's actually going to follow all these people, and then you're just going to tap on this to join Thread. That way, when those people also just join Thread, they are going to be followed by that account, and then they will just also get a prompt to follow you back, and that is pretty much very cool. So now we are inside of the app, and when you see this logo right here or sign right here, it means the app is being refreshed or you are refreshing the app. So once the page has been able to load, you are going to see people you've followed or people you were friends with on Instagram having their threads popping up right here, and that is very, very great. So this is how the menus work. This one is the home, and then you tap on this to just search for any person right here, which I think it should be improved. Maybe it should be an explore page where you're going to see trending stuffs right here. I think that would be very, very helpful. And also this is where you're going to write your own threads, and then you can just tap on this section to add pictures and then also videos from your gallery. So let's say you tap on this one and then you just want to type your first thread, and you'll be like on Threads now, and then you just tap on posts. It's actually going to post the thread. You can tap on view and it'll take you to your profile, and you're going to see your threads right there. So with this one too, when you tap on this side, that is where you're going to see your activities, where you're going to see people replying your threads, and then also people mentioning you, and then also verified accounts which are going to mention you or reply to your threads. So you tap on this side, that is where you're going to get your profile. So you can see the profile we have right here. That is the profile we have on Instagram. So when I tap on this one, you're going to see it's going to take me to the account I have on Instagram. You can see the same profile right here. When I go back, you're going to see the same profile right here, and that is basically very cool. It doesn't give you a lot of work when you're trying to get your profile made up or something. So when you tap on followers right here, that is where you're going to see people following you, and you're going to see the people you are also following on Threads. And pending is the people who are yet to join Threads, so that you just get to follow them, and that is basically very cool. You can choose to just cancel it, and it's going to cancel them so that they don't get notifications whenever they join the Thread app. But once you want to grow your following, I think you need to turn that on, so you are going to get people just following you on Threads. So you can tap on this one to share your profile. In case you want to share your profile to people, you just tap on that and then share it to people, and then you tap on this one to see your replies to you've replied to people, and that is pretty much very cool. So I think this app is basically the new Twitter we have, and the website for this app is threads.net. You can see right here, threads.net. It's not threads.com, it's threads.net. That is what we have for this website. And when you tap on this side, it will actually take you to your privacy, where you're going to see private profile, mentions, and then muted, and then hidden words you feel you don't want people to use on you, or you want people to type on your account. And then also you can see blocked and then hide likes, and that is basically very cool. You tap on this section right here too, you're going to see your settings right here. You have follow and invite friends, notification, privacy, and then accounts, and then language, help, and then about. You can tap on log out, and then you can just log out like how you log out on any app. And this is my account I use on Threads now. So in case you want to join or you want to follow me too, you can just follow on the screen on the same name I use on YouTube, so they are going to be able to join me, and then we are going to be friends over there. So this is it right here. It's very, very great. And in case I missed anything, to just let me know in the comment section. I hope you like this video, and if you liked it, don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe for more videos, and let me know in the comment section what you think you want me to just make a video about, and I promise I'm just going to make that video for you. I'm going to catch you in the next one. Peace.